Jesu. Ok. Ćao dragi moji, danas ćemo da pripremimo grah, ali ovo je neki specijalan grah. Ne znam kako se zove kod nas, ogromne su ove graške, bijelije. Ovdje se zove lima beans. I ovo ću na malo specifičan način da pripremim. Ovdje imam malo mesa, to ću isjeckati sitno. Imam glavicu crnog luka, imam isto, uzet ću 2-3 čehna bijelog luka. To ću sve fino da isjeckam, da izdinstam, to ću vam pokazati. I koristit ću ova specijalan način, zove se harissa spice blend. Ovo sam naručila ovdje kod nas na Amazonu. Ima jako super ukus, malo miriše kao na suho meso, tako, i ima malo je, na engleski se kaže spice, izvinite, molim vas, ne znam kako se kaže kod nas, malo ljuto kad se jede, kao ljute paprike, tako otprilike. Tako ide super uvariva. Znači, to je to, osnovni začin. Sad ću vam pokazati kako ću to sve da pripremim. Ovako, za ovaj recept bit će nam potrebno malo mlijeka ili half and half, što je pola slatko vrhnje i pola mlijeko. Safran, harissa, seasoning što sam već rekla. Imam ovdje dillweed, imam isto od paradajza sos, malo sea salt, morska sol. Stavit ću samo malkice cimeta, vegete ću možda malo staviti, vidjet ću kako bude mi to šmekalo, i stavit ću peršuna. So for this dish we're gonna use quite a few seasonings. If you don't have all of these on hand, you don't have to use all of them. But I love saffron, just a hint of saffron makes every dish 10 times better. Harissa seasoning, like we said already. Dillweed, I use it in all the meat recipes. I'm gonna need some I have tomato basil sauce here, some sea salt, a hint of cinnamon we're gonna put in there, some parsley, half and half, and season all. So I'm gonna mix it all together so this doesn't burn for me here. This is all nice and why am I having a hard time speaking? Let's say fried, but it's not fried. You see how it looks like. Hello friends, for those of you that follow us in English, today we're making some lima beans. At least that's how I'm pronouncing them. I don't know if that's correct, but that's how it looks like to me. I have soaked them for about 2-3 hours, so now they're nice and plump. I am using one large onion, and about 6 cloves of garlic. I have already diced all of that in here, along some meat. You can take a meat of your choice. And I'm just lightly frying this. Then I'm gonna add the beans, and I'm gonna add this harissa spice that I got on Amazon. It is amazing spice. I'm really liking it. It's great for soups, for stews, for meat seasoning. It's amazing. So this is sauteed really nice. You want some color in the pan like this. That's gonna add more flavoring to the dish. Now we're gonna add the beans. I have quite a bit. Maybe I should have used the bigger pot, but we'll make it work. I'm gonna add a hint of saffron here. Just a few pieces. You don't wanna add too much because it is very empowering. It will take over your dish. Quite a bit of harissa seasoning. I have a dry version. There is also a sauce option. Just a tad bit of cinnamon. I'm gonna add some sea salt in here. I love parsley. I use a lot of parsley. So you can use as much or as little as you want. I like a lot of it. This is equal to season oil or Bosnian vegeta. I'm gonna mix this a bit to combine. Okay, now I'm gonna add the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add tomato sauce. I have more than half of the can, and then I will use half and half, about 2 cups equivalent. Mix this one more time to combine lightly, and then we're gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, this is perfect. Keep your eye on this, since you do have some half and half in here. It might boil over, so have it on a lower heat so it simmers. It doesn't hard boil. Gonna cover it and Takom pakom mora da je sve. Evo, večera je gotov, završena. Svetlava je tu u pozadini, snima, pomaže, pa ću kasnije editovati. Hvala vam puno za gledanje. Ciao! Hello dear friends, so dinner is almost done. We're jamming with some music. My mother-in-law is of course recording this for us. Thank you so much. And she's gonna edit it and post it as well. Thank you so much for following and for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as we will. Thank you. Bye. Na kraju smo dodali malo špinata kad je sve bilo gotovo. Nikki, how's the taste?
Really good.
You're happy with my little experiment?
Yeah, I'm good.
How about you, little gremlin?
It's good.
Papa Bear, have you tried it?
Not yet. It's coming.
Thank you. There's so much.